language time? Yes. So in the language time, we are going to see the sight words. Already, ma'am, I taught you sight words, you know. Yes, already we learned 5 sight words. Am I right? See, what is this word? Come on. Everybody repeat. I. Everybody say, what is this word? I. Next, what is this word? Come on. Yes, very good. This is the word of see. Everybody say see. I see. Next, what is this word? What is this word, baby? The. Everybody say the. What is this word? The. Next, see here. What is this word? Come on, repeat. Yes, very good. Super. What is this word, baby? Look. All of you say look. Next, what is this word? Add. 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 What is this word? Add. See, repeat once again. So, ma'am, I taught you and word also, you know. See, first let's revise this one. See here. I see the look at. Okay, kids. First, everybody, you have to read the heading. What is this heading? Sight words. Come on. I see the look at. Okay, kids. Once again, you revise these words. Okay, kids. Next, let's move on to language. In the language, we are going to see the sounds. We are going to see the sounds. See here. We are going to see the sounds. So, what sound we are going to see means O, double O sound we are going to see now. Double O sound we are going to see now. See, this double O makes sound according to their places. It gives 2 different sound. The double O makes 2 different sound. Okay, kids, that is we call long O and short O. Okay, kids. So this double O gives different sounds. Double O gives different sounds. So one is a long O and another is a short O. See, long O makes what sound? Long O makes what sound? Ooh. In the Tamil we learn, you know, Tamil letter. Ooh. Long O makes what sound? Ooh. Long O makes what sound? Ooh. See here, how to read this word? See. So in this word, how it gives the sound? See here, spoon. Spoon. See here, spoon. Next, moon. See. So in this word, it gives this double O gives a oo sound. So that's what we are telling. Long O. Long O makes what sound? Ooh. Long O makes what sound? Ooh. See here, spoon, moon, pool. See, pool. Next, stool. See. So in this word, it's given long oo sound. Long oo sound. See, spoon. So spoon means one of the spoon we are using for eating, you know, spoon. Then moon means everybody we know the moon. Am I right? Yes, we can see the moon in the sky. Next, pool. So pool means it's a swimming pool. Okay, kids. Next, stool. Stool. The stool is one of the we are using it for sitting. Stool. Okay, kids. Okay, kids. The long O in this word it gives a oo sound. Okay, kids. Ooh. Next, we are going to see the short O. In the short O here, it gives a oo sound. Ooh. Short O gives ooh. Ooh. So in this word, it gives a short O sound. What is a short O sound? Ooh. Everybody say ooh. Everybody say ooh. So in this word, how it makes a sound? Cook. Ooh. short vowel here makes a oo sound. Oo. Oo. See? Cook. Hook. Took. Look. Okay kids, can you understand? Long vowel makes oo sound. Long vowel makes what sound? Ooh. Long vowel makes what sound? Ooh. Next short vowel makes what sound? Ooh. Short vowel makes what sound? Ooh. See here? Spoon. Moon. Pool. Stool. This is a long vowel. Short vowel gives ooh sound. Short vowel gives what sound? Ooh. Everybody say ooh. Next, how to read this word? Cook. All of you say cook. This is hook. See here? Hook. This is took. This is. See here? Short vowel makes what sound? Ooh. Short vowel makes what sound? Ooh. So in this place, how to pronounce these words? Book. Hook. Brook. Read once again. Come on. Book. Hook. Brook. Okay kids. Next, long vowel makes what sound? Ooh. Long vowel makes what sound? Ooh. See here? This place long vowel makes long ooh sound. Long vowel makes what sound? Ooh. So here how to read this word? Moon. Broom. Pool. Okay kids, can you understand? Long vowel makes oo sound. Next, short vowel makes oo sound. Oo. Okay kids, so in your language note, you have to copy these words. You have to put a sounds heading, then double vowel also. You have to write you have to split into 2 columns. So ma'am, I have written only 4 words. So you can fill it whatever in the chart and the board also I showed the words. You can fill it whatever the words you know, long vowel, short vowel. Okay kids?
That's too fast. Let's slow down.